Okay, so now we are ready to assign these extensions to our phones. Now there's a couple of ways we can do this. We can first we can grab the extension number and the password that is found in here. Sorry, this one here. So there is an option to view it here. And if we grab these two bits of information along with the IP address of the PBX, which will be known as the SIP server, you could log into the phone and key those details into the phone itself. Now that's a very manual way of doing it, so we're going to automate this. Now there is another way that we can do this on the device. So if you aren't using GDMS Cloud, you can come down to where is it? It is Device Management, Zero Config, and you can add your devices through Zero Config here. Now we're not going to do this in this video, but I'll do a dedicated video on how to do this. So in GDMS, we will go to SIP account. Now, because we've got an admin only paid plan, our SIP accounts are syncing in from the PBX and also the SIP server as well. So all that we need to do is come down to VoIP device, locate one of the devices. So in this case, I'm going to make our GRP 2616 extension 1001. So we click on account configuration. From the drop down, select the account and then click save and apply. Now you can see there it's currently showing in an abnormal state. It's orange and it's currently provisioning the phone at the moment. So if we give that a minute and then do a refresh, you'll see that that configuration has been pushed to the device. It's now showing green and registered. So if you have a look at the phone, you should now see that extension 1001 has been provisioned to that phone. So that makes it nice and simple. Let's go and do this with the other two extensions now. Okay, so they're coming online at the moment. Okay, so now while that's still provisioning to that phone, we are going to come through and have a look at the extensions back on the PBX. You'll now see that they're showing in an idle state with a device registered to them and the IP address and port. So now we're ready to make a test call. So if I come down to active calls and I make a call to that device or that phone number, we can see the call coming in under the active calls, going straight to extension 1. And I can pick that up. And now you can see the call is active. I can then hang up the call to terminate it. Okay, now we'll do an outbound call. So So this is extension 1001 making an outbound call. Okay, so now we've got a very simple setup. We can start to expand on that. So there are a few ways that we can do that, and we'll look at those in future videos. So they will include setting up an IVR, voicemail, ring groups, call queues, and a few other features as well.